Lai uzzinātu, kā Baltijas valstīm sokas ar elektroenerģijas uzkrājošo baterijas sistēmu integrāciju elektroenerģijas tirgū, esam atbraukuši uz Lietuvu, uz Aknīšķes saules parku, kur European Energy, Dānijas uzņēmums, tikko ir īstenojis vērienīgu un jaudīgu baterijas sistēmu projektu. Lai uzzinātu vairāk par to, kā šādas baterijas sistēmas darbojās, cik tās ir jaudīgas un kāpēc vispār tās ir vajadzīgas, uz sarunu esmu aicinājusi European Energy būvniecības projektu vadītāju Autorasu Ņemanus.
The battery storage is needed in one way because during the day you're producing solar and during the night you don't have a solar. So you can charge the batteries from solar and then feed the electricity from batteries to grid. And then you can also do all the balancing things for the TCO, for the grid that is needed to balance the grid. So basically that's the main purpose of the batteries, because the prices during the day in a solar parks in the electricity market it's getting low in the summertime, but during the night there is no electricity. So that's why the batteries is so important, and then we can combine the system as a hybrid, because this is the solar park and battery park combined should work as a one unit, and then we can have a sustainable energy. So that's the main thing.
And could you tell more about European Energy storage park in Aknīšķe?
Yes. Here we have 16 cattle Chinese producer battery containers. Each is a bit more than 2 kilowatts of energy. So basically we have here 16.2 x2, so almost a bit more than 32 megawatts of installed capacity in this BESS park. And also it will be the capacity of it will can produce its 2-hour system. So basically it will have almost each battery will have 2 hours, means it will produce 4 kilowatt of electricity power to grid. Basically in total it's 65 megawatts of total electricity to grid. So that's system we have, and also it sustains from the power conversion system. SMA is a German producer that allow us from the battery electricity, we call it the DC power, converted to AC power from a battery that you have, in your cell phones and everywhere. It's a lithium battery system. So, and this will be transferred to the grid as we use at home, basically. So these power conversion systems from SMA will allow this. So from batteries, the electricity will change it to AC, raise it up, and submit it to our substation, and then to the grid. Mm-hmm. So this is the system how it will work.
Is it the first European Energy battery system, storage system in the Baltic states?
We have couple projects already in the Baltic states from European Energy. We are building now here in Aknīšķe. Second is building right now the same system in Saldus project. And European Energy as a whole, we have more projects in production and already built it in full Europe.
Could you tell more about this Saldus project?
Maybe I will not have. It's just started. We just get there. I think in just last week, I think we just get a portion of SMA inverters, and I think the batteries will come probably next week. Mm-hmm. So it's also ongoing, and probably the interesting thing is going on also there.
Mm-hmm. And
it's a bigger project. Then it will have, if I'm not mistaken, 100 megawatt power of its installation there. So it's a bigger part than here.
Mm-hmm. And what are the biggest problems and challenges in installing battery systems in the Baltic states?
I cannot say for the whole the Baltic states. I can say in here. So basically, you need a good plan. All the procurement process, because these things you have a lead time to bring on site, and you just need to plan this according, so make the groundworks here up front, and then when all the equipment will come, you need to build it, wire it, test it. What we're having over there, the colleagues are doing the final steps, because an actual project is technically done. We're just doing the final testing procedures, to make it sure that it will be good to TCO, and we're planning to energize it like in 3 weeks if everything will go smooth. And the biggest challenge maybe will be how this whole thing will be controlled, all the system, how to be controlled, how it will be past the TCO test, and these kind of things is very new for the market, for the Baltics, for the Latvia, for Lithuania, because there's new things. So it will be interesting to see how all will be managed to do, because one thing is to construct it, but then to make it okay for TCO. That's the biggest challenge probably for all the companies that doing the battery systems in Lithuania and Baltics and so on. So we will probably only can answer this question in a couple of years how it will go.
And how are the battery storage systems technologies developing on in the
overall
world, in Europe? And why you are using Chinese technologies?
No, at the end of the day, the project should be profitable, I do believe, and probably it's coming to the price. And we are not choosing just as a manufacturer, we are choosing the best known markets. We're choosing the cattle because they can provide not only the product, but only the service and all other stuff. So basically I do believe that our procurement team choosing by the best solution what we have for market right now and for the best price. So this all should come to an end, and I do believe there is not much players in the world that can provide this kind of services. So let's see how it goes. We're just building, and probably or it will be good, we'll see in a couple of years, but I hope that everything will go fine.